63. You had a daughter, well, have a daughter, had one with a woman.
Yeah, boy.
That part of your life when you were straight, were you straight or were you hiding being gay?
I have never
Been straight.
Never.
But when you were making the baby, did you enjoy the process of making the
Absolutely.
Just so explain to me.
Yeah?
Yes.
I've always been honest. Even my parents are new from day one. So I was a child star by then, you know, and girls would throw themselves at me, you know. And when they do, I would tell them, I played for both teams, you know. At the time. Yeah. But I've always been honest, and that's why there was no shock on her side. Oh, how could you do this to me? No, she knew. And some girls would think it's a phase, you know.
And they can turn you or change you.
Yes, they change me. So I've always been honest.
You say you played for both teams. So when was the last time, if after her you were with a woman, when was the last time you were with a woman?
Because you're playing for Bafana now.
But 5 years ago.
Yeah. Whoa, for real?
And it's a
How
losing
come
team.
that relationship is not as well documented?
Not everything you touch must be a relationship now.
Wait. So the last time you played for Banyana was 5 years ago?
5 years ago, yeah.
You enjoyed it?
It was absolutely. Like, I don't know who I was telling.
But the alphabet la confused.
No.
Yini
is confusayo. Mamela yini is confusayo. Niyathanda ngendaba zabantu.
Okay. Yes. Right.
So let me tell you, yini is confusayo. I don't know, I was telling someone at an interview or something. At some point I thought I'm gay, at some point I thought I'm bi, and now I think I'm pansexual.
Oh, you know that song? Just kill the music there.
Pansexual.
Go.